In this video, I want to share how to start affiliate marketing with realistic expectations. There is a lot of BS out there. You need to know the truth so that you can start right and position yourself for real success. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and if you haven't done so, please click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week. You'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Click the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So first, what is affiliate marketing and why is it my recommended business model for everyday people to make more money? Affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. If you do it right, it can be one of the simplest ways I know of to make more money. There are affiliate opportunities for almost every kind of product you can think of. In fact, you may have already purchased a product or service through an affiliate offer without even realizing it. You do not need to have a product of your own to sell. There are no customer service or delivery hassles. And it can all be done online, no phone calls, no bugging friends. Like I said, it can be very simple, but it is not easy. Don't fall for the BS. It is a business. It will take some work. I'm sorry to burst your bubble. Unfortunately, too many people have been led to believe that all you have to do to make a fast fortune in affiliate marketing is to go to an affiliate network like ClickBank, pick out a product, grab your link to promote, make a few YouTube videos, and then sit back and watch the money roll in as if it were 100% automated. Well, nothing could be further from the truth. Don't let the hype get you. You'll just waste time and money. So here is what is realistic. Here is what I tell a friend who wants to start affiliate marketing right. First, spend some time deciding what to promote. The three big categories of affiliate products where your chances of success are best seem to be in health, relationships, and money. Select something in a category you are passionate about. For example, for years, my focus has been helping others achieve financial freedom. Then you can start looking for the right product to promote. And a lot goes into that decision. You need a quality product already in high demand, something attractively priced, and with the right pay plan too. Too many affiliate products pay out small one-time commissions of only a few percent. With one of those, you would have to sell a lot of stuff every day to make significant money. Truth is, most marketers cannot do that, especially those starting out. Unless you already have a large list and following, those offers will be really tough. When you have chosen the product, you need a good sales funnel to market it. At a minimum, this will be a landing or lead capture page to promote, a follow-up sales page, and an email series to mail out. You drive traffic to your landing page, people fill out a form requesting more information and get added to your email list, then your email marketing takes over. Your method of operation is to promote the landing page, build your email list, and continually market to it. And this is so much more effective than just promoting your affiliate link directly, like I mentioned earlier. To start affiliate marketing right with realistic expectations, I invite you to take a close look at my #1 recommended income stream. It's an affiliate marketing opportunity that has 4 high-demand products paying out an industry-leading 80% commissions. 80%. Plus, 3 of the 4 products pay out long-term passive or recurring income too. This is money that can come in month after month for the sales you make each day. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you do today. I love residual income. It's a big part of what lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer. You want residual income. We have terrific training. Our training website is the best source I've seen on methods to get more traffic to your offer. We specialize in free marketing strategies that get big results. I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. By following our Quick Start training, many new people make money their very first day. And I can show you how to build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day by copying a proven system. Again, it's all simple, but maybe not easy. You will need to put in a few hours a week, but I'm convinced anyone can do it. And since it's all online and mostly automated, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you from just about anywhere you want to be. To learn more about starting affiliate marketing with realistic expectations and making more money starting as soon as today, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.